Welcome to the personal property tour for 61 Robertson Avenue in Montfleury in Leven. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom terraced family home. You've got off-street parking, you've got lovely garden to the rear, it's immaculate inside, move-in condition, and cannot wait to take you on the tour. And this is the property here. So property comes from here to here. You've got a shared pen there as well, which is great for access for your bins and storage. You can see you've got your off-street parking here as well. But even the curb appeal, it's really finished nicely, this property. And let's head on in. Immediately we go in the front door, you'll see the standard of the finish throughout. So you've got this lovely entrance vestibule here, which is great for boots, coats, shoes, etc. And then you go into your inner hallway. Lovely and spacious, isn't it? I love the flooring. And that goes all the way into the bathroom and kitchen as well, so it's a nice touch. But really roomy as well. Look at all the space you have here. Lovely and bright, as you can see. Light being distorted a little bit with the sunshine there. But you've got room for a home office here. Plenty of room under the stairs as well, which I'll show you in a moment. But we're going to start upstairs. So again, you can just see how nicely decorated this is throughout. It's a lovely property. On this level, we've got 3 bedrooms and a WC, so it's great to have the facilities here. So it's nice and open upstairs. I'm going to head into bedroom number 1. So instantly you'll see what a large room it is. That's a super king bed, plenty of space still. Lovely and spacious, isn't it? This overlooks the rear of the property, so nice and quiet. Lovely big room. And you've got double storage, so bonus. Nice size, isn't it? Then we'll head back out into the upper hallway. And it goes around the corner, so it's L-shaped. Straight ahead, bedroom number 2. So again, a good sized double. You'll see immediately you've got double storage. Nice big window, so it's lovely and bright. Nice and spacious. You've got room for a work area as well. Gaming site. Such a lovely room, isn't it? Great size for a double. And then bedroom number 3, again, is a really good sized double room. You can see straight away. So much space and so bright, this house. This one overlooks the front. You're right at the top end of Robertson Avenue, so nice and peaceful. No one's overlooking you. You can actually see the sea over here as well. It's a lovely view, isn't it? Good sized room. Now these are freestanding, but you can see plenty of space. You do have an inbuilt there as well. So good sized double room. And that's bedroom number 3. Now we'll head back out into the hallway. So again, even from here, you can just see how open it is. It's lovely, isn't it? And then you've got a WC across here as well. So you've got vanity, wash hand basin, and you've got your WC. Nice big window again, so this is lovely and bright too. Nice use of space, isn't it? Again, lovely and open. You've got your access to your attic here as well, which is also floored. Then we're going to head on downstairs. And again, you can just see how bright and open this is. Isn't that lovely? Nice, isn't it? And then we're going to head into the lounge. And that is just off of the hallway here. So you head into the lounge. Nice square-shaped room, but lots of space. Nice family room, isn't it? And you've got some storage and shelving here. Nice big window to the front. And that's a big L-shaped sofa here, and you've got this additional sofa. And there's still plenty of room in this room. Nice sized family room, isn't it? And as you can see when we go into the hallway under the stairs, you've got lots of storage here as well. So you've got the potential to do some inbuilts here, maybe a home office. Really flexible living, isn't it? Love the stairwell. And then we're going to head into the bathroom. So you've got your family bathroom in here. Again, finished nicely. You've got your inset WC and vanity wash hand basin. You've got your P-shaped bath. You've got your thermostatic shower with your rainfall shower head. I love this as well. Quirky use of space, isn't it? Nice storage. But it's lovely that the floor flows through the house. Nice sized room. And then into the kitchen. Again, a good sized dining kitchen. Again, this flooring is lovely, isn't it? Love the worktops. Really sharp and clean in here, isn't it? With the white. It's lovely. Love the privacy screen there as well. You don't need it, but it's just a nice addition. So plenty of space for your freestandings. So you've got your American style fridge freezer. You've also got your integrated appliances. So you have your microwave, your oven and your hob. And if I come over here, you can see it's a really good sized room. That's a reasonably sized table as well, and lots of space in there. Lovely, isn't it? Then we're going to head out into the garden. I love the garden. So peaceful, isn't it? So I love this patio area, nice for seating arrangement. Then you've got this raised area, which I really like. This is the gate at the side that takes you to the shared pen, so again it's great for your bin access. For the kids as well, coming in, you know, on their bikes and scooters and things. Then you head up here. So we head up to the raised garden area. I love that it's so enclosed. You've got a nice decked area here. You've got a lovely summer house at the end as well. So lots on offer with this property. Really nice and enclosed, isn't it? Peaceful. You can't hear anything. So nice. So to recap, this 61 Robertson Avenue in Montfleury in Leven. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom terrace property. You've got your off-street parking, you've got your family bathroom, you've got separate WC, which is ideal. You've got great outside space here as well. Location-wise, it's in the perfect spot. Literally, you go out the property, turn left, you're 2 minutes, you're at Montfleury Primary School. Turn right, and you're about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you're at Diageo, you're at Aldi. So if you're working local, this is a great family home right where you're working. You can also walk to Cameron Bridge train station. You're a short drive then to Leven, so you've got Edinburgh and all the connections that take you from there. Also, you have the high street, the restaurants, the bars, you've got the swimming pool, the leisure centre, you've got the promenade, you've got the beaches, you've got the golf courses. So it really does add a great lifestyle to the property. Lots of walking routes and cycling routes locally as well. Lots of woodland walks. Fife Coastal Path takes you that way too. It is just a great location. If it's of interest, you can message me here directly. Likewise, if you want to contact the team, do that on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.